stand up, please. Stand up. Bow. Okay, you can have a seat. Have a seat, please. Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Bowen, and you can call me Teacher Bowen. But before we get right into the class, there are several questions of it. First of all, is what is the best condition to look at the sky, to observe the star? Any answers? Tom? Snowy? In Taiwan, really? Nice try, but not the correct answer. Any other answers? Nancy? Sunny, yes, sunny is the best weather condition to look at the sky, but you have to look at the star in the evening, right? Excellent. Okay, so the next question is, have you guys ever heard of astrological sign? So what is astrological sign? Read in Chinese, please. Perfect. So, have you had any experience of heard of astrological sign? For example, my astrological sign is Cancer. Any other answers? Tommy? Lion. Lion is not described as astrological sign. Or we can have another try. Other answers? Tommy? Leo. Yeah, Leo is a part of astrological sign. And other answers? Susan? What? Gemini. Yeah, Gemini is a part of astrological sign. Perfect. And as a math class, we have learned one word that is planisphere. Repeat after me. Planisphere. Planisphere. So what is a planisphere? Here. Look carefully. Everyone, look here. Look on my hand. This is planisphere. Again, planisphere. So here, planisphere. Good. And the second word is star point. Star point. So what is star point? Right on the planisphere, and the star point is like a red dot or white dot on the planisphere. It is called star point. Move on to the next point is middle point. So what kind of position is middle? For example, if the blackboard here, what is the middle point of the blackboard? Here? Or here? Or here? Raise your hand. Here? Here? That's right. So here is the middle point of the blackboard. And now look at here. The middle point of the planisphere is here. Okay. Move on to the next word is frame. So as the same. For example, we will use blackboard. So what is frame of the blackboard? Here? Here? Or maybe here? Here, right? That's right. So the frame of the blackboard is the outside part of the blackboard here. So if it is on planisphere, the frame of the planisphere is here. Circle here. Move on to the next word is location. So for example, like me, I live in the city Taoyuan, so it is the north of Taiwan. Any other answers? Tommy? East. Yeah, east is kind of location. Excellent. Any other answer? West? Yeah, or southwest. So these are kind of location. So the locations are right on the frame of the planisphere. The next point is horizon. So as I mentioned earlier, the frame of planisphere right here, we call it horizon. So in reality, we call this circle frame as horizon. Understand? Again, so now, frame of the planisphere right here. Look carefully here, a frame circle right here. In reality, we call it horizon. Move on to the next word is star magnitude. Again, star magnitude. So what is star magnitude? Look carefully here. Now we have 4 degrees of star magnitude, and we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. If the star magnitude degree is higher, that means the star in the sky is darker. Whereas if the magnitude degree is lower, the star is shinier. So which one is the most shiniest in the sky? 1, 2, or 3? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1. So if the star magnitude is 1, it is the most shiniest star in the sky. Move on to the next word is altitude angle. Repeat it after me. Altitude angle. Excellent. So what kind of angle is altitude angle? When we look above the sky, we can look on the star and we have to measure about it. So we can give the star an altitude angle for us to measure it. Next part is timetable. So for example, today is June 12 and now it is 7 o'clock in the evening. Now timetable means now it is 7 o'clock in the evening. Understand? Excellent. So next one is date. Date is this, or this, or this. Here, right? So if today is June 12, the date of today is 12. Move on to the next word is month. Repeat after me. Month. So which month is this month? June, right? Good. So month is from January to December. Okay, so move on to the next word is astrological sign. So as I mentioned earlier, astrological sign is such as Leo or Cancer or Gemini, right? Excellent. So now please turn to page 14 and please read the topic and the following paragraph in Chinese. date of today. So today, for example, it is June 12th. So please turn your planisphere to June 12th. Here. And step 3, please turn to month. It's June, so June 12th. Here. And that's exactly you will see the star on the sky in June 12, 7 in the evening. Understand? So now I'm going to ask you some questions. So please think about the first question is, what kind of location is on the planisphere? So if the star is now right in your left side of planisphere, which means it is in southwest, yeah, that's exactly the answer. And as I mentioned earlier, horizon here. Horizon. So the frame circle, which is called horizon, that means if the star is above the horizon, it will appear on the planisphere, or if it doesn't, it won't appear on the planisphere. Move on to the next point is the middle point. Please look at your planisphere in group. The middle point of the planisphere means vertical. So when we look into the sky and the altitude angle is about 90 degrees, we call it middle point. So it's right above your head. Imagine that it's right above your head. So a star which is right above your head, we call it in the middle. Excellent. So the next point is, how do we measure about the exact location and altitude angle? How do we measure about it? Using some methods, right? So the next class we are going to use some method to measure the horizon and the altitude angle of the star. Now please, before return home, please recite and review those words. Repeat after me again. First word is planisphere. Planisphere. The second word is star point. Star point. Next is middle point. Middle point. Next is frame. Frame. Next is location. Location. Next is horizon. Horizon. Next is star magnitude. Star magnitude. Star magnitude. Next is altitude angle. Altitude angle. This word is not angel, it's angle. Altitude angle. Next word is timetable. Timetable. Next word is date. Date. Month. Month. And the beginning of the class we mentioned about astrological sign. Astrological sign. Astrological sign. Also, please recite and review it. And now we will have a 10-minute break.